So in this 1-4-A video, I'll be talking about S-curves and normal curves. So this would be considered an S-curve right here. It goes up and it makes an S. And this is more of a normal curve. In general, these are about the same, but this is just shorter. You know, it can be a longer S, shorter S. This tail could be up here, it could be down here, it could be way back here. It depends. But I'm going to point more about the normal curves. So here's kind of another general to see the difference between the two. You can have different heights. So this is here, this is the diffusion of innovation theory. Basically starts out here, innovators, tipping point is here, this is the early adapters, this is the early majority, this is the late majorities that's coming back down, and then the laggers. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about Android and Apple. The marketing penetration. Right here, the actual definition, the extent to which a product is recognized and bought by customers. Basically, how much the public uses this particular type of product. And this is just kind of a general graph I found. This is kind of cute to show that here it's going up for the production. And this was in a video I found here, percentage of total market. This is basically generalizing this market penetration thing. It's normally set out to be in percentages of total marketing, how much total marketing is purchased, the product, basically how much is bought, some percentage is not used, education sales, not replaced, and basically, this is the overall general. These first two are major, the main ones. So here's just kind of a data table about smartphone sales to headquarters. These are quarters, and they're split up into the different subtitles, of Android, the different types, iOS, Microsoft, other OS, and then it kind of shows 2011, 2010. And it's comparing the quarters to the end, from the beginning to the end of it, into the next quarter. So this graph I actually made, and it's number of phones purchased, or smartphones. Over here, this is a million, so it would be 900 million down to 0. And from 2008 up to 2013, I found the best data. And as you can kind of see here, the general slope of the S-curve is starting. And it's going to start making its way up, and then and then this is kind of another one that I added on to that, but it goes down to 2005 here, as you can see here. It goes and goes, and then it goes way up. Between these 2 years, it seemed to have gone up. These are the graphs that I based my graphs off of, and data that I based. This, I just wanted to talk about this because this is something kind of extra. But it's talking about the smartphones in general, their marketing, sharing, and how much they've gone up and down. You can kind of see curves here going up, up, and down, and then back up a little bit. Same with this one, and this would be the iPhone. And these two are the major two. And this I just wanted to show also because it talks about operating systems of Android and Samsung. And right here you can see Samsung's going to kick Apple's butt soon. Anyways, this was an excess thing I found very cool. It's the different years of Android systems, but it's shown in a pie chart here, and it has the percentages and the amount. And these are my URLs. That's it.